Guys, welcome back. This is the Linden by Tri Pointe in Lariat in Liberty Hill, Texas. This is a beautiful example of what Tri Pointe is capable of creating and does. They execute perfectly. This plan is beautiful. It is almost 2,900 square feet. Actually, it's 2,898 or 2,903. Depending on one of the two elevations that you can choose from. It is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath with 2 living rooms, and it starts at $491,990, so just shy of $492. This is the Arbor collection. It starts on their 45-foot lot product, and it is a beautiful, beautiful home. I love this house, and Tri Pointe is, now you may have remember the other day we had the Reimer. And the Reimer is, it's a beautiful house. It's one of their models. It's where the office is in in Lariat. I said Santa Rita. That's another massive community in Liberty Hill, but in Lariat. And my buddy Shane is the sales rep over there. He is an award-winning, at every builder he's ever been with, he's been an award-winning sales rep, and he takes excellent care of his people, which is why we've been working together for years, because he's just so knowledgeable and so helpful, really cares for people, and he works so well with realtors, which again, just a credit to Shane. And this product is, I called him just a moment ago to kind of walk through the Linden, get all the specs. Of course, I did the video on this, and I'm super familiar with this. But one of the things that I love so much about this home that he brought to my attention was just the layout and how the soaring ceilings are so lovely. He also brought to my attention all the finishes that they have available to you. And of course, this is in the Arbor collection with Tri Pointe. So just so many things going on here. Now, I'm going to walk you through this home. We're going to see all the ins and outs. But before I did and got any further in this, I wanted to encourage you guys to download my free buyer's guide to Lariat. Lariat is Liberty Hill's premier, brand new community. It is absolutely beautiful. The scenic views, the rolling hills, the location, so many amazing features to this beautiful neighborhood. Now, in the description below is a link. You can download that, click that link. I will need you to fill out your email and your name. I am not going to blow you up. I promise. I just need somewhere to send the PDF and so that you can download it. And what's going to happen is you'll fill out that form. It'll email you, and you just click the link and download the buyer's guide. That's it. I'm not going to bug you. I'm not going to blow you up. I promise. Nobody wants comments on my YouTube channel saying how I bugged you to death. I promise I won't. So feel free to download the buyer's guide, totally free. There's zero commitment or obligation. I'm not going to bug you. I may say hello, and I just want to know your name because I want to be able to say, hi, so-and-so, thank you for downloading my buyer's guide. That's it. Just like any other person would, I want to make sure I'm showing you how grateful I am. So this is the plan this is the Linden. The Linden, again, just lovely. We're in the back of the home now. We're in the owner's suite. And I love the beams that they put in here. This goes into the owner's bath, of course. They have the barn door sliding setup here, and just a great layout. So it has the double vanity on the left. You have your stand-up shower in the back, and just floor-to-ceiling frameless glass door entry, which is lovely. The contrasting between the light quartz counters. You have your brass fixtures on here, your dark cabinets with your brass handles, and I do love this kind of aqua blue subway-esque tile staggering brick pattern that they did here, that large niche. And of course they have that continuum of brass finishes in this shower space, which is lovely. This is a huge closet space, which is really, really nice. They actually, there's no tub in this bath, so there's way more space. So they put it back into that closet in this plan, which is great. They have a little seating area in here, and of course all the area that you need to hang your clothes and put whatever you need to in here. Lots and lots of space. Now, there are 3 models that Lariat's put forward. Check out our video that we did, and I'll put a link right here on the first model that we did the other day, which is the Reimer I mentioned moments ago with Shane. And then we've also got a third one coming. It's also called, it's also a Tri Pointe model. It's called the Valencia. And the Valencia is going to be their largest terrace product, which is the 40-foot product, and their terrace. The Valencia is beautiful. That one's a 3-bed with a flex space that you can turn into a 4th bed on the main level, which is great. So if you have guests coming in, you can check that out. So, and that video will be dropping soon. Stay tuned. And we're going to get you inside the Valencia as well, so you can check out that one. That one's going to start at $432,000, which is outstanding. Now, guys, if you would just allow me to walk through a few things right now. I love the elevation in the back. Huge covered patio in the backyard. Just lots of space, guys. And I'm going to take you upstairs just in a minute and show you everything that's happening up there. It's beautiful. The finish out's really, really nicely done. I do enjoy, and if you've been following my videos at all, we do a lot of luxury homes, a lot of multi-million-dollar homes, and a lot of the common features is the beautiful beam work on a view down into the main level. From the second level, you can see down at the main one. I've got a couple of videos coming here soon. We just filmed all of the brand new models in Treviso, so stay tuned for that. Toll Brothers and Taylor Morrison have brought their A game on these new plans. I'm going to get with you. I'm actually be doing those voiceovers in a minute. But I did want to talk briefly, real quick before we get into that. Second level, love the spiral staircase. Super soaring ceilings, guys. Just absolutely stunning. We're going to go check out this living space up here. Holidays, right? Thanksgiving is around the corner for us right now. You can have the folks downstairs, the adults, and then you have your kids up here watching a movie while your folks downstairs are watching the UT game or Aggie game, or we're going to be all inclusive. Your favorite football team, fill in the blank, and you can have everybody younger folks upstairs watching whatever on the second level. So lots of flexibility in this plan. Now we're going to see there's the bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms in the back of the home here. We're going to check, or in the front of the home that we're going to check out here momentarily. But I did want to kind of get into the reality. Yesterday, guys, I locked somebody in at 4.375, brand new home. Now, that is what's happened. That was a 2-1 buy down, and that's the way the 2-1 buy down works is you prepay your interest for the first 2 years, the difference between what the market rate is and what the rate that's promotional. And that is there's a spread that is there's a spread between the two, and if you prepay the interest for the first year and the second year, and then the third year you lock out at whatever the market rate is. We got them to lock in at a 6.3 on the third year. But the first year is a 4.3, the second year is a 5.3. And the difference between the 4.3 and the 5.3 and the 6.3, those 2 years of before you lock out at your 6.3, all that interest was prepaid by the builder, which dropped their payment by like $350, almost $400 a month. So that's, and again, in time it works for my folks because like they could do the 6.3, but they just don't have to, which is fantastic. And then by the time hopefully the 6.3 comes, the market hopefully will see interest rates have dropped. And if interest rates drop, prices are going to climb, and they have built-in equity in their home. Plus they get to refinance at a lower interest rate. So it's just really a win right now for a lot of folks because builders are super duper competitive. So please let us get with you. Let me talk with you about your plans. I want to show you what's happening out right now and what builders are willing to do. Because guys, once interest rates go back down, all of this competitive offerings that the builders are offering right now, that's going to go away. They're going to go away. They don't need to do it anymore. And they have so many homes to sell right now. Builders are very volatile. They're up and down. They ride the waves. They ride the waves. And so right now they're trying to get people in the doors. There's a lot of builders with a lot of inventory, and they need to sell their homes. And especially right now before the end of the year is coming. They want to have books that reflect strength, and they want to sell as many homes as they possibly can. So please, I know I'm not talking about the house. I'm talking about your situation and getting you into a home. So forgive me for not talking about this beautiful bathroom right here. But more importantly, you can make serious gains right now. You can get a great deal. My clients had no idea they could get that. We were able to get them a 4.375 locked in right now when the market rate is 7%. So trust us. Let us walk through this with you. We do this all the time, guys. I sell a ton of new homes. That's what we do. We sell, the bulk of what we sell is new homes. It just works out that way. We also sell tons of resales as well, but we work with builders. We have a great reputation in the builder community. So let us serve you in this process. Now, sorry about that. I'm not sorry. That's the truth. You need to know that. I want to serve you. So anyway, back to the tour. Okay, we're going into this laundry space, which is accompanied by that beautiful mud room with the cubbies and the seating area and the bench and all the hooks and the beadboard and all the cubby holes. It's beautiful. Now we're in this laundry space with your lower cabinet on the right. That's super pretty aqua that's wrapped around on the half tile job. And then you have your upper cabinets there for storage, which is great. And all kinds of space. Man, I love that wall, how they put that wall, the wood, the trim, all the way to the ceiling. It's great. And then we're going to come back, just kind of come out of the house here. So that's primarily the Linden. We do have kind of one more little space here. We have this full bath in the front, and then one more guest bed in the front of the house. It's a really nice layout in the plan here. I do love it. Lariat's beautiful, guys. I really want you to check it out. This is going to be, this is the next up and coming community we have in Liberty Hill. There's Butler Farms is new, and of course Lariat's new. There's so many good options, for price points all over Liberty Hill. Liberty Hill is exploding. It's absolutely exploding. They just started building the new high school, the new middle schools coming in. I mean, there's so much going on. They're about to announce the new mascot for the new high school. So we went to the education, the board of the Liberty Hill ISD meeting, the district meeting the other day, and they presented the three options that they're considering. So it's going to be exciting. So yeah, definitely stick around for that. But guys, thank you for being, just joining me on this tour. I love this plan, Linden by Tri Pointe. And again, it's the 3,000 square foot, 5-bed, 3 full bath, 2 living rooms, starting at $492 on the 45 foot product. So feel free to reach out if you have questions, guys. Thank you for joining me, and I would be honored to see you guys on the next one.